Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding paper. First, gather your simple ingredients and tools. This fun and easy project lets you create unique, edible sheets perfect for decorating desserts or adding a playful touch to snacks. We will walk through each step, ensuring you achieve perfect results. Get ready to transform basic pudding mix into something truly extraordinary and delicious. To begin, you will need 1 standard packet of instant pudding mix. Choose your favorite flavor. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup. These are crucial for the paper's texture. Finally, ensure you have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and a small saucepan for mixing. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth. Now, let's make the pudding paper. In your small saucepan, combine the instant pudding mix, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. Stir these ingredients together until smooth. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. Immediately pour the warm mixture onto your parchment-lined baking sheet and spread it very thinly and evenly with a spatula. After spreading, let your pudding paper air dry completely. This can take several hours or even overnight, depending on your humidity. The paper should be firm and pliable when fully dry. Once ready, carefully peel the edible sheet from the parchment paper. It is now ready to use for decorating or enjoying as a unique treat. Be sure to check the description below for a link to this insightful book, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.